Can I have it? That's perfect. Can I have it? Uh-oh. Can I have it? Oliver? Uh-oh. Good boy, Oliver. Good boy. That is perfect. Can I do it again? Oh, you're going to be a pro. Oliver, pay attention. Can I have it? All right, come on. Uh-oh, but that was a good try, baby. That was a good try. Oh, goodness. Okay, bring me that one. Oliver, give me that ball. Get the blue ball. Right here, right here. Ooh, you're not paying attention. Can I have it? Pay attention. Okay. Come on, this way. Oliver. Me? Can I have it? I want that. Oh, can I have it? Can I have it?